And then extended leg is raised actively by flexing the hip until the pain is felt. Okay? Kuha?
Yes.
Patient then flexes the knee and pain disappears. Kuha ninyo. Mura siya sort of breathe. Okay? So, you do partial sit-ups ka and then partial sit-ups. Extended the knee.
Extend all the
Okay, so the patient partial sit-ups. Okay? And then this time, i-flex siya ankle. Kaya?
good bro.
Okay? Kung painful siya, okay, that's obviously kung patient having back problem, painful. So, okay, imagine na ang trunk nito nag-release. So, stretch gihapon ko siya. Okay? There are some structures na kung imong i-stretch, mo worsen the pain. Na kung imo sa i-stretch, disappear. Okay? So, i-stretch. Next, kung i-bend na set ang knee, and then do the partial sit-ups, na disappear ang pain, that's a sign of burning within pain. Okay? Positive sign of burning. Okay? So, extension, doing the partial sit-ups, extended ang both knees, and then after a while, reflex the sad out both knees, burning siya sa pain.
Pinapulag ko na. Asa mas nila.